subtraction of two polynomials. This is second method. Okay, method 1 already we discussed in the part 1. Now we will discuss about method 2 in part 2. Now consider two polynomials like x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 5. This is subtracted from another expression, that is another polynomial like 4x cube minus 5x square plus 7x minus 9. This is another polynomial. Now what is the method? This is horizontal method. In previous part we have discussed column method. This is horizontal method. First you have to arrange these two expressions in one row. Let us see how you can arrange them in row. First consider this expression. This is subtracted from this one. So what you have to subtract it? This is subtracted from this expression. So first you have to write this expression, that is 4x cube minus 5x square plus 7x minus 9. Next you have to subtract this expression from this expression. So here you have to write the minus symbol and put this expression in the brackets. Okay, with minus symbol, that is x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 5. In this way you can arrange them in a row. The subtracted expression should be in brackets with minus symbol. Now simplify these terms, that is equal to 4x cube minus 5x square plus 7x minus 9. Now you have to multiply this expression with the minus symbol. That means you have to open up the bracket. Open the bracket. Open the bracket. Then the symbols will be changed from plus to minus, minus to plus. See, here it is plus. Now the symbol will be changed to minus, that is minus x cube. Here it is plus, that is changed to plus 3x square, and it is changed to minus 4x, it is changed to plus 5. Another way, it is multiplication with minus symbol. The polynomial is multiplied with the minus symbol, that is minus into plus minus x cube, minus into minus plus 3x square, minus into plus minus 4x, minus into minus plus 5. So in this way we can open the bracket. Now add the like terms. What are the like terms here? 4x cube minus x cube. Rearrange them like terms together. Minus 5x square plus 3x square plus 7x minus 4x minus 9 plus 5. What are the like terms here? These are the like terms. This is like terms. These are the like terms. Now add the like terms. What are the like terms? X cube minus x cube. Another like terms, minus 5x square plus 3x square. These two are like terms. Another like terms, 7x minus 4x, and these are constant terms. Now we can add these terms. Okay, first I add the coefficients, that is 4 minus 1, 3x cube plus minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2x square plus 7x minus 4x, 3x plus minus 9 plus 5 is equal to 4. Remove the brackets. Now add the like terms, that is 4 minus 1 x cube plus minus 5 plus 3 x square plus 7 minus 4 x plus 9 minus 9 plus 5 is equal to plus 4. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3x cube plus minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2x square plus 7 minus 4 3x plus 4, that is equal to 3x cube plus into minus minus, that means symbol will be changed. If your bracket is removed, symbol will be changed. Minus plus into minus, minus 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Okay, this is the another method. This is a horizontal method. You have to follow 3 steps. Arrange in one row. So first you have to arrange them in one row, and the subtracted expression should be in bracket with minus symbol. Then remove the brackets. Next, add like terms. Add like terms. In this way you can do the subtraction of polynomials by using a horizontal method. The two expressions should be arranged in one row and simplify the like terms.